because you kind of hinted at this by saying that like China was the place that maybe is the most ready for this or the most most apt to be able to do this, right?
Yeah.
In 2017, so this is a while ago now, right? I went to China to attend a conference, and I brought some yuan with me. I brought some cash with me because I had no other way to pay for anything. And I was at a coffee shop on the grounds of this conference, and the woman behind me, who was Chinese, so she was from Shanghai, she was making fun of me so much. She was like, "In our country, all I have to do is go like this," and she just took her phone and went,
Yeah.
to pay.
Yeah.
This is almost 10 years ago.
Yeah. Oh, absolutely.
I
used
paid
to, yeah. I used to laugh when we used to go to the office in Shanghai, and I'd be like, "We're going out for lunch, guys." They'd all walk out, and and I'd be like, "Where's your wallet?" And they're like, "We don't have wallets."
Yeah, here. It's right here.
Yeah.